laatste woordje hier doen. En ik denk dat hij een hele toffe tijd heeft beleefd. Ik geef nu de micro aan Nana.
Hij is te goed voor dan weg.
Nana, I always heard you're a guy that leaves quite early, which means before midnight. What the fuck are you doing here?
I guess I was awake, but somebody called me to come back, so I have to speak to the supporters and also say a very goodbye to them.
We're terribly sad that you're leaving Malinois. And you are going to a little town in Holland, I heard, Utrecht or something?
I'm very happy I played here and okay, I'm leaving, but I'm leaving with a good feeling. I hope to come back one day.
Okay, thank you very much for all the pleasure you gave us.